Hey guys, welcome back to T-Bones Tech. Today we're doing my video vlog test of the brand new Canon G7X Mark III. Okay, so I know a lot of vloggers are always filming in their car and usually it's very loud. So this is going to be a test of the built-in microphones on this new G7X Mark II to see how good the audio sounds like even when you're in the car or when you're driving, because I know, like I said, a lot of people spend a lot of time filming or vlogging in their cars. So hopefully the audio sounds pretty decent when you are filming in the car. The video you're watching right now is being filmed at 4K at 30 frames a second, but we're going to switch over to 1080p at 30 frames a second right now. So now the video you're watching is being filmed at 1080p at 30 frames a second, and I wonder if you guys can tell a difference between the 4K and the 1080p footage. Something that's really cool about the G7X Mark III is it actually has a built-in microphone in jack. So I'm actually going to plug in a wireless lavalier microphone and actually record the audio and see how it sounds like on the G7X Mark III. Okay, so now the audio that you're listening to is being filmed with this wireless lavalier microphone, and it's completely wireless, so it's really cool, and hopefully the audio is going to sound a lot better than the built-in microphones on this camera. Let me know what you guys think about the audio quality from this microphone versus the ones built into the camera. Okay, and the last mode we are going to talk about is our HDR mode. So right now we are filming in HDR, and as you guys can see, the field was very overexposed in the previous video, but now it is actually nicely exposed and actually matching my exposure, even though I'm in the shade and it's very bright over there. So this is what HDR mode is going to be like. It actually is very impressive and seems to work very decently. Okay, so now let's do a very quick rolling shutter test. So I'm gonna jerk the camera around, and honestly, it really doesn't seem like the rolling shutter is bad at all on this camera when filming 4K video, which is very impressive. Okay, so I'm back to filming 1080p video at 30 frames a second, and that's because the camera actually overheated when filming 4K video out here in the sun and out here in about 90-degree weather. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on this camera when filming 4K video. 1080p is definitely going to be much more reliable because the image processor isn't going to get nearly as warm when filming 1080p video as it would 4K. Well, that's all I got for you guys in this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up down below, and of course, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and then you'll be notified every time I upload a brand new video just like this one to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video test, and I will catch you all in the next one.